If you don't understand your competitors, you'll price your product wrong. And wrong pricing means you're leaving money on the table or your product is too expensive for the market. Before you price your product, you need to understand your market, and that means understanding good, better, best. Every market has 3 tiers. Good solves the basic need at the lowest price. Better offers better differentiation with better quality. And best is the premium brands with exceptional execution and strong marketing. As a beginner and a US private label seller, you should be in the upper layer of better, not racing to the bottom with good and not competing against premium brands in best. Here's what most people get wrong. They analyze competitors for broad terms like metal water bottle. That's useless. There are thousands of metal water bottles. You need to analyze your competitors on your long tail keywords, the keywords where you can actually take market share. If you're building a metal water bottle without plastic that has a straw, analyze metal water bottle without plastic or metal water bottle with a straw. That's your actual competition. That's where you need to understand the price breakpoint. Pull up your long tail keyword. Look at the top results. What's the lowest price? What's the highest? Where do the best reviewed products sit? These price breakpoints tell you where the market is anchored. If the better products sit around $20 to $30, that's your range. You're not guessing. You're positioning based on what the market already accepts. Now, here's when to walk away. If there are huge brands dominating, you can't break in. If the products in your target tier are already well reviewed and well designed, there's no white space. Walk away. Understanding your competitors isn't about copying them. It's about knowing where you fit and how to price accordingly. I love you, little one. If you want to see this process applied on a real product, you should check out my Build With Me series. That's where you'll see me analyze my competitors, map out good, better, best, and decide where to price my product. In the next video, I'm going to talk you through how to choose your supplier and how to make sure that you actually get a response. All right, let's build something real. I'll see you in the next one.